Welcome back, students. In previous video, we discussed about the bottom-up parsers. So in bottom-up parsers, LR parsers are the most important category. In that the first parser, SLR1 parser, we will discuss about it. So here SLR1 means it is a simple LR parser. One means the look ahead symbol, the input symbol we are going to scan is 1. So that's why it is called SLR1 parser. So with one numerical, we will explain it. So here the example is we need to take S is tends to AA and A tends to AA and B. These are the three production rules what we are going to uh, three production rules here it is. First of all, we need to augment the grammar. Augment the grammar means we need to introduce one new symbol. That is here I have introduced one S dash. It is a new symbol. It implies to S. And again S tends to AA, the same grammar we repeated here. And A tends to AA and A tends to B. Here we introduced only one augmentation grammar, that is the first step. S dash tends to S. Okay, this is the augmentation. Here we can introduce any symbol, that is E dash, A dash, X dash. So here for S dash tends to S, I introduced. Okay, this is called the augmentation of the grammar. So first step we need to do, augment the grammar. Thus we augmented. Okay, and next we need to calculate the follow for the particular grammar. So here for S, if you want to calculate the grammar, for any grammar, right hand side, for calculating the follow, we need to check the right hand side. In previous video, how to calculate a follow, I already explained, just check it out. So here in right hand side S, there is nowhere it is available. So for it is a starting symbol. So S is the follow of S is equal to dollar we need to include. And here for A, it is appeared in two times here in this production and this production rule. Here A is following A. So first of A we will include. First of A is equal to A and B. And here one more A is here. So A is following nothing. So we will follow the S, a follow of S. So dollar also. So here I have calculated S for follow calculation, dollar for S. A is equal to A comma B, dollar will be the follow of this production rules, variables S and A, dollar and AB comma dollar will be, we have calculated already. Okay, so here one more thing, after augmentation we need to calculate the follow also. After that we need to construct one flow diagram using the closure property, that is before and the dot we need to insert before and after. Okay, so here in particular first stage, that is the I not stage. Okay, so here what we are going to do, so the documentation grammar, each and every grammar before that symbol we need to insert one dot. Okay, we need to insert one dot here. So here what are the grammar rules? S dash tends to S. Okay, S dash tends to S. So here before S I inserted one dot. Okay, so here after the dot, if you are getting a variable that is non-terminal, again we need to expand that one also. So here in previous day, so what is the first grammar? Here using pen I will explain it. So here first we will, in the state of I naught, what we are going to do, so we are going to take the first symbol, first production rule, that is equal to S dash tends to what is this here, S. So before S I am including one dot. Okay, here. Okay, this way. So here dot, after the dot, so we got that non-terminal. Okay, this is a non-terminal. So what are the production rules of S? We need to include those rules also. What is the production rule of S? S tends to A. So this we need to include. Okay, S tends to with the dot. Okay, so here it is starting with, okay, we are including A. Okay, we are including A. After the dot, so again capital letter, that is it is also a non-terminal. The rules of A also we need to include. What are the rules of A? These are the two rules of A, so we need to include this. So A tends to, again A tends to dot A. So I included here. Okay, the A production rules I am including here, and two rules are there for A, and A tends to dot B. Okay, A tends to dot B also I included. Okay, so this is about the particular I0 state. In the state of I0 we have completed. Every time if you are increasing the state, okay, so we need to move the dot from here to after this letter. Okay, so here I have explained this here in this table. Okay, so here we have completed the first one. Here we will take this particular rule. Okay, so here s dash tends to dot s, so dot we will move in the next state, that is s dot. Okay, so here using this particular grammar, that is s, we are going to moving to next state, that is called I1 state. S dash tends to, the dot is moving here. After the dot, nothing is here, so we will stop the state here only. There is no production rule will appear here. Okay, this rule is completed. Okay, after the dot, A rules. How many rules are there? Only one rule is there. After the dot, capital A, that is terminal, non-terminal of A. Okay, it is a non-terminal. So here what we are going to do, we are going to do expand this. So here I'm expanding with A, here I'm expanding this. So the dot will move here. Okay, A dot A. So here again, one thing you need to think about it, we need to observe. After the dot, again the non-terminal appear. So we need to include the rules of A. We need to include all the rules of A. Okay, so what are the rules of A? So A tends to AA and A tends to B. So here we will put one dot before starting, that is AA, and here also I put one dot B. Okay, so after that, after the dot it is a small, it is a, a terminal, and after dot it is a terminal. If it is a terminal, there is no expansion. Only if it is a non-terminal, the rules of that particular non-terminal we need to include, okay, with dot. So here this A also completed, this is I2. Here this is different rules from I1, so we need to give one more state name, that is equal to I2. Here I have given I1 and here I have given I2. Okay, and this rule also completed here. And one next we will move to the next rule, that is, so after that, what is the symbol starting after dot with the small letter A? So here only one symbol is there. Okay, one rule is there. A tends to small a. Okay, so here in this state, after a small letter of A, we are moving the dot A dot A. So after dot, it is a capital letter. That is, it is a non-terminal. Again, we need to include all the production rules of A. So A tends to dot AA and A tends to B. Okay, this is also different from these two states. So here I have given the name of I3. Okay, this is I3. And here one more rule is we need to expand, that is A tends to dot B. Okay, so here it is B and A tends to B dot. After dot there is nothing is there, so we are not expanding this. Okay, so this entire I0, all the production rules are expanded with this. Okay, after dot S, so expanded with S. After dot A, expanded with A. After dot small a expanded. After dot small b expanded. I1, I2, I3 and I4 we have given the names. Here again we need to see from I1, is there any chance to expand to next state? So let me see. So S dash expand, this extends to S. dot after dot nothing is there, so we cannot expand this rule. So this will be completed, this we cannot expand. Okay, next coming to I2 state. Okay, in I2 state, what it is, S tends to A dot A. Okay, they both are capitals, A dot A, and dot will we can move from second A. After the second A we can move it. Okay, so that's why it is here, it is a chance. So I'm expanding this A, I'm expanding here, this A is expanding here, and what will happen, S tends to A dot A dot. Okay, and after that nothing is there, so no rules will be including here. And this is also different from all these states, this rule is. So here I have given the state number I5, here I have given the state number I5. Here this rule expanded. Okay, here the second rule in I2 state, that is equal to, here we can expand, this dot will move from here to here, A dot A. Okay, so A dot A, the same will I3 as usual, the same rule will be coming. A dot A, for dot after dot A is there, capital A, so A tends to A tends to B. So here for this second rule, if you are applying the small a, so again the I3 state is coming. That's why I have not given the new state name. Yeah, the same state we are getting, that is I3 only. Okay, this rule also completed in I2. In I2 state, there is a third rule, that is dot B. So after that, it will be dot will be move from after B. So here the same rule, where production rule we are getting, like I4. So here the B, it is moving to I4, the same rule. Okay, the new state is not necessary. Okay, so here also this also completed. Here there is no chance for the expansion. For I1, I2 expanded, one new state we got, and left our same states I3 and I4. Now I3 we need to check, is there any chance to expand. Okay, here after small a the dot is there, we can move it to after capital A. Okay, so here after dot, this is A, so we are expanding the A. So what we are getting, A tends to A. This is a new production rule, so here I have given the rule number, that is state number I6. Okay, this rule I have expanded. And here again, if we are expanding A dot A, the same rules will be produced. So here if we are giving the A, it is going to same state only. Okay, so again third rule is that this rule also completed, and A tends to B, and B dot it will be the same state we already got, that is I4. So for B it is moving to the state number 4. Okay, and is there any chance to expand? Here also the dot is in the last stage, we can't expand it. Here also the dot is in the after the string, there is no chance of expansion. Here also there is no chance of expansion. So total how many states we constructed? I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and I6. These are the total states we constructed. From this flow diagram, we need to construct one table. So here we will see how to construct a table. So the table will be having the three columns. The first column will be including the state names. How many states are there from I0 to I6? The total states we will mention. And the next column is action. Under the action, we will include all the terminals. So in grammar, the terminals we know already, A, B, and we will also include one more terminal, that is the dollar symbol. Okay, and in third column is go to. Under this we will include all the non-terminals, those are capital letters, here small letters, and those are capital letters. So what are the capital letters? A and S, starting symbol is S and A. These are the variables we got. Okay, so in go to column we will include these two variables, A and S. Okay, so now let me show you how to fill this table. So we will start with the I naught. Okay, we will start with the I naught. So I'm moving to the flow diagram. From I naught, using the capital S after dot, this is S is there. So here I have taken the S, which state we moved, that is I1 state. Okay, I1 state. So I naught and capital S, it is moving to first state. So in table, we need to mention I naught, and if it is S, we are moving to first state. Here we just need to write number only, no need to write I1. Just write under the S column, capital S, we are moving to first state. Okay, understand? And next we will see, and I naught, if it is A, we are moving to I2 state. Okay, so same I naught A, so two number we mentioned here. Okay, so these are the capital go to. Under the go to column we need to mention 2 and 1. And here in the third, that is I naught, the terminal, that is A, so we are moving to I3. Here where we need to put it, here we need to put it I naught under A, it is moving to third state. But here we need to write it is a shift 3. That is shift we need to write. Instead of I, we need to write S. Okay, S3 we need to write. Okay, it is a third state shifting. Okay, it is S3 we need to write. Okay, so check it. This is the I naught state in the variable, that is B, terminal B, we are moving to I4 state. So I naught terminal B, we are moving to I4. Instead of I4, we need to write S4. So why we need to write, I will explain later. It is a shift operations. Okay. So the I naught state is completely filled. So under A, S3, under B, S4, under capital A, it is a 2, under capital capital S, it is a 1. Just check it out. Under capital S, it is 1. Capital A, it is 2. Under small a, it is moving to I3. Here we need to write S3. Under capital B, we need to, small b, we are moving to I4. So here we need to write S4. Okay, this is the how to first stage we filled it out. Okay, in the second state, that is I1 state, only one state is there, nothing expansion. This is augmentation of grammar. So here it is augmented grammar. If it is the end of the grammar, we need to write under the I1 state. Okay, under the symbol of dollar, just write accept. Okay, augmentation grammar. So, and if it is augmented grammar, if it is end of the symbol, we need to write under the dollar, we need to write accept. Okay, we need to write accept. Now, moving to the I2 state. Okay, from I2 state, if it is capital A, we are moving to I5. We are moving to I5. So, under the capital, that is I2, under the capital A, we are moving to 5. Fifth state we moved. Okay. And one more thing, if it is I2 state, if it is small b, we are moving to I4. So what we need to write? S4. Okay. So under I2 small b, we are moving to I4 state. That here I have written S4. Okay. And one more thing, that is equal to, and I2, we are also moving A and to I3 under the small letter A. So here I have mentioned I2 under the small a, that is I3, means here we need to write S3. Okay, and I2 state also completed. And coming to I3 state. Okay, I3. So here I am talking about I3. So in I3 state, so what are the variables? You just see here from I3A, it is going to the same state. If it is B, going to the fourth state. If it is capital A, it is going to sixth state. So three possible variations are available here. If it is A, it is going to same state. So what we need to write under the I3, if it is A, same state, that means we need to write S3. Okay. If it is B, we are moving to I4. That, so we need to write S4. And here, if it is a capital A, it is moving to I6. Okay, so we need to write just 6. So I3 capital A, it is 6. Okay. So here we have completed all the shift statements and go to statements also. We completed and accept also. Now we will see how to fill the reduce statement. Reduce rules. How can we fill it? So see here, for filling the reduce, we need to check the end of the production rule. That means if after the dot nothing is there, we need to check those all states. Okay. Here we already filled this I1. Now after dot nothing is there. This is the one state, and here this is the one state. Okay. After dot nothing is there. Here this is also one state, and this is also one state. So I5, I4, I5 and I6 we need to fill with the reduce statements. So see here, how can we fill? In I4 it is A tends to B dot. Okay, nothing is there here, we can't expand it. So here this is after dot nothing is there. In the follow of A, we need to fill this rule number. In the follow of A, we need to fill this rule number. Okay. Follow of A means that is follow of A, B and dollar. Just follow of A is A, B and dollar. Okay. Under this, we need to fill the rule number. So what is the rule number? This is the first rule number, and this is the second rule number, and this is the third rule number. Okay. And third rule number, what is the rule? Is A tends to B dot. Okay, what is the rule number? This is the rule number 3. This is the rule number 3. So rule number 3, where we need to fill? Under the follow of A. Okay, so here I4 under the follow of A. A follow of A means small a. Here rule number R3 we need to write. Under the follow of B, this is also rule number 3. Under the follow of dollar, so that under the follow of A, that is dollar also follow of A. So R3 we need to fill. One more time I'm explaining you how to fill the reduce. So here in I4 state, okay, A tends to be, this is the reduce operation. That means after dot, nothing is there. So we need to fill with reduce operations. So how can we fill reduce operations? This is the I4 state, okay, I4 state. And here in which column we need to fill? Follow of A. So just check it out, follow of A. What is the follow of A? Small a, small b and dollar are the follow of A. Okay. Under the follow, what we need to fill? This rule. Rule number. What is the rule number? A tends to B. This is the rule number 3. So what we need to fill? R3 we need to fill under the follow of A. So check it out in I4 state under the follow of A. What is the first follow of capital A? Small a. So R3 I filled. Under the follow of B, R3 I filled. Under the follow of dollar and R3 I. Under the follow of A, that is dollar also, that is R3 I filled it out. Okay. And next, the I5, here also after dot nothing is there. That means we need to fill the under the follow of S only, we need to fill this rule number. So what is the rule number? This, so this is the S tends to A, this is the rule number 1. So where we need to fill? Under the follow of S. What is the follow of S? Dollar. So under the table I5, under the follow of dollar S, that is dollar, here I fill R1. Here one thing I want to say, while filling this reduced statements in LR0, same way we will construct the table in LR0 also. But here, here the for filling the table. So here everywhere, suppose in I5 state, everywhere we will fill R1, R1, R1. But in SLR1, suppose no need to fill and all the terminal variables, no need to fill it, that reduce statement. Only under the follow of S only we can fill it, then also it will work it out. Okay, so that's why here I have crossed it in LR0. In all the terminals we will put the rule number 1, that is rule number 1 under the I5. Okay, but in SLR1 only the follow we will include. Okay, only the follow we will consider. Here only dollar is the follow, so we are filling here only. Okay. And next time I6, under the follow of A, we need to fill this roll number. What is this roll number? This roll number is second roll number. So we need to fill under the I6 follow of a, small b, and dollar R2, R2, and R2. So like this, we will construct the table. We will construct the table here.